Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now for this video, we're going to talk about build newsletter for beginners with Beehiiv. I know this is a great way to reach people, expand your business and the works. So newsletter is a very good tool to really expand. Now the one is the best thing to build your newsletter. So basically, you need to know which is or what kind of audience are you reaching for. So this is a website we can use for this exact tutorial. So let's check on the pricing first. So for the pricing, we have this. Actually, this is right now bi-monthly. And for yearly, it's much more cheaper. So you have Launch, Scale, Max, and Enterprise. They have changed this before. They have Grow. Right now, they have Scale and Max. So we're going to utilize a free trial with this current features. So let's get started with this one. I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. So this is how it should look like. Basically, this is going to be the landing page of your Beehiiv account. So the first thing, of course, is get subscribers. Get people to listen to your newsletter. To do that, simply go on Audience, click on Subscribers right there, and you can import subscribers wherever you see fit. You have custom fields here, tags, and the works. Take note about that one. Before you get started about anything inside Beehiiv, of course, you're going to need your audience. Build your audience. Build is your target audience. You need to learn what kind of audience are you targeting, and go here and import the subscribers on this option right here. Also, an important thing to take note of is if you click on this one, since we're currently on the free plan, we can only import up to 10 subscribers. So this limit costs account all publications, and it's not the same as subscribers limit. So we can raise our import limit, but that will be for the paid subscription plan. Of course, guys, if you want to start your click here, you can upload via CSV. You can choose what kind of email addresses they're going to work with. They can also send welcome email, add automations, and tags. Now after importing your subscribers, let's just say you have subscribers as of now. Next up, you can go to the design lab. Before, it should be around here under settings. Go here, and under admin, there should be design lab out here. But since they updated this user interface, you can find that design lab under here under design. And then you have website builder, and of course we're going to focus on newsletter builder. So think of it as your Word document. If you're familiar with Canva, it's just like that one, and if you're not, I have a video about Canva, so please check it out. Now let's go on the settings right here, very quickly scan them. First, of course, you have your author name. This is my dummy account name. These are the links that I can link my social media with. That's the date right there. And basically on the left side, you have your outside background. You can change the color. For example, you want it a bit more red. Perfectly right there. For the post background, if you want it a little bit more on the green side, you can do so. Like this one right here. Perfect. For the post border, you can reduce this one for the radius, or you can increase the border thickness. Easy as that. Of course, guys, for the border color, you can also adjust it. Make it more black. Much more appealing. Of course, guys, this is a helping hand option wherein, if you don't know what you're doing, just click on here, but I'm going to tackle everything you need to know. So the inner margin, you have your fewer options here if you want to remove them. But for more options, you're going to have body text, header text, and the works here. Up to tables and also embed. Embed is a very new feature in Beehiiv. Of course, once you're satisfied with your changes, much like this one, I can simply click on Save Changes, and I'll be good to go. Now welcome back to the dashboard. Now let's start creating our very own individual newsletter. Not the one earlier, because that is basically a copy to practice with. To start writing, simply click on Start Writing right there. You can use template or blank draft. I'm gonna click on blank draft as of now. Now welcome back to the video. Now this is basically what's inside a blank Beehiiv application. So you start with this one. You have your post, email, website, SEO, and delivery. So for post, I have filled out the sample inputs here. For the email, this is by default up to delivery. But first, let's focus on the template itself. You'll notice that this is just like Note. If I click on the dash button right there, these are the actions that are taken inside Beehiiv. You have the bulleted list for the basics. For the headings, you have 6 settings. For the embedded link, you have your custom link right there, or you can hyperlink for Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and audio. Footnote is right here, and of course, guys, for the premium plan, you have the AI writer, you have the AI image, HTML snippet, and the works. So for this one, let's try here. Let me just type in. I'm going to type in Tutorialboxx. Let's just say newsletter. Something like that. And with this one, I can click on answer now. So that's basically my title for today's video. Of course, with this one, I can import images. Let me try this image right here. You can upload your image or use from library. So for the library, they have different types to work with. They have Jiffy or Jiffy or GIPH. Please tell me how to pronounce this one. So for this, I'm gonna click on this guy right here. And now we have uploaded a successful for your newsletter. Now you might be asking me, how can I fix this one? So highlight everything and this will automatically pop out. You can increase, add your font size or lower your font size right there. Or you can bold everything here, perfectly right here. There is also an option to leave a comment, change your settings here. For example, you want a little bit more large right here. Now for here, you can still enter some works here. Let's run an example. So for example, I want to add a table. And for table, I'm going to type in table 1, click on that one. And for this table, reasons to use Beehiiv. Something like this. And of course, if we're having reasons, we need a bulleted point. So for example, with this one, I'm going to add this bullet point right there. It is awesome. Something like that, guys. And basically with that, you can also move this with this 6 buttons right here. You can move it at the top section or lower it just a little bit. Perfectly right there. And now you can also edit it, for example, the visibility. You can show on website or not this exact section. You can anchor. You can duplicate or copy to clipboard. Take note about that one, guys. That is pretty powerful. And if you click on plus icon right here, this is actually the shortcut for the slash button. Now let's try this one. Now if I click on here and then click on underline, everything here would be under that option right there. Easy as that. Now you can also add your row before or after if you want. For example, this is column 1. And for example, this is column 2. I think I misspelled this one wrong. Sorry about that one, guys. Now for the sake of the discussion, guys, I'm gonna add some more here. I think I'm gonna go with image, use from library. So we have Jiffy from earlier. How about we go for Unsplash now? I'm gonna go for tutorial. I'm gonna go with this little marine or army. Please correct me if I'm wrong. And then you can also hyperlink this. For example, you can type a link. I'm gonna go for facebook.com. Click on enter. Now this image can now straightly go to Facebook. Now for example, you're satisfied with everything you have here. Let's just say you're done with editing and you want to preview. So under post, go on this eye icon that says preview. And this is basically how your newsletter would look like. Now I know it's not much, but this is how it should work. This is the desktop view and this is the mobile view. This is the email, the web is right here, emails right here, the subscriber to select your list should be right here if you have subscribers, of course. But right now, I don't have subscribers. And now since you have seen your preview, you can send tests, save this as a template, and of course you can schedule now. If I can schedule, this is going to be the dates. You can publish now if you want. Click on that one. You can publish now. And basically this newsletter is now going to be good to go if you have subscribers. As you can see right here, since I don't have subscribers, there's no one really to view my work. Anyway, that's currently published right now. Of course, guys, don't forget to save this as a template, for example, for future uses. And basically, that's it. Again, guys, before we end this video, I just want to highlight, if you're reaching some audiences, make sure you know who you're reaching with. Newsletters are only as effective as your target audiences and your topic. So thank you so much for watching and please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.